like a good spot right there. Stay right there. Now turn a little bit, driver. Yeah. Stay straight.
Whoa.
Perfect. Little driver.
Really felt the load.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Slow.
Whoa! Whoa! Go, 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 go!
Whoa, go right. Turn passenger.
Oh my goodness. Keep going.
Just go.
Yeah, roll out of it.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, no wonder.
Oh, Bren. Oh, Bren.
He's showing off for you or something.
This is why I didn't ride. I'd be gasping and
Wow.
the whole time.
If you listen to the video, you can probably hear.
That never does right before carnage.
It felt so stable.
Stable right before I flipped it.
Way to go, Joshua. Go, little driver.
First the wheelie.
A little passenger. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit passenger. There you go. Slowly. You're going to come off the drop right now.
Now slow. Brake, brake, brake. Yes,
Want
perfect.
him a little driver, guys?
Hold on a sec.
No, he's right on the line. He's doing good.
All right, now go a little bit driver. Perfect. Right there.
All the way down.
Man,
Keep
that's
rolling,
so
keep rolling, keep
that is so
rolling.
steep.
Keep
There we go.
rolling. Keep rolling there too.
Keep rolling.
Oh, good.
Beautiful flex.
Flexed out.
Wish you could have got the angle from this side.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It drooped so nice. I'll film Dad coming down.
Yeah, we can have a perspective.
Come up a little bit more,
It
Dad.
actually does look worse from this angle.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Here he comes.
Jeff, how high was he off? How high was Mason's wheel?
It was pretty high. It wasn't fast and high speed, but I don't know, 3 feet. First character marks on the side of the XJ.
Did I go the same spot?
Yeah,
Hair further right, I'd say.
be careful.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah, perfect. Slow. Slow.
Nice. Coming off now. Those brakes are so much better.
You're not kidding.